In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check whether you can see a Telegram user's phone number and what to do if it's hidden. This is a quick, simple process, but it's important to understand Telegram's privacy settings so you know when a number is available and when it isn't. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram web in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main Telegram interface where you can see your chats. This step is important because you need access to the conversation with the person whose phone number you want to check. Next, open the chat with the user. You can do this by clicking their conversation from your chat list. Once the chat is open, look at the top of the window where the user's name appears. Click on their name to open their profile details. Now, in the profile panel, check whether the phone number is displayed. If the user has made their number visible to you, it should appear in their profile information. In that case, you can view it right there without needing any extra steps. But if the phone number is not shown, that usually means their privacy settings are hiding it. Telegram gives users control over who can see their phone number, so if it's hidden from you, there is no legitimate way to view it through the app without their permission. If that happens, the best option is to ask the user to share their number with you directly. You can send them a message and politely request it if you need it for contact or verification. That keeps everything respectful and within their privacy preferences. So to recap, open Telegram web, go to the chat, click the user's name, and check the profile for the phone number. If it's visible, you can see it. If it's hidden, you'll need to ask the person to share it with you. That's the only proper way to access it when privacy settings are enabled. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Telegram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.